One more week of the crypto market with a new wave of all-time highs, and we're almost sure that the crypto market will soon overtake all companies by market cap. During the last week alone, the total market cap of the crypto market had $250 billion, which is another reason to rejoice. And of course, Bitcoin is ahead of this race by surpassing the $50,000 a mark price tag. Ethereum followed Bitcoin's steps and surged beyond the $2,000 level, and don't forget about good old Doge. We have found the biggest fan of Doge, and it isn't Elon Musk as you may think. So who is this mysterious fan? Well, nobody knows. The account is completely anonymous. Institutional investors are ready to invest not only in Bitcoin, and Polkadot has become a new object of interest for Goldman Sachs, ICAP, JP Morgan, and even UBS. Ripple is expecting another major sell, and that's only the beginning. Watch this episode to find out what happened in the crypto market last week. Hey guys, Shad here with another review of the latest crypto news. And before we dive in, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell below to learn more about crypto in a fun and effective way. Let's start with the most important news of the past week. The crypto market capitalization has grown to a record high of $1,750 million, which allowed it to overtake the likes of Amazon. Let me remind you that only a week ago we talked about the figure of $1.5 trillion. And as always, the main hero of the occasion is Bitcoin. On February 17th, the world's first crypto exceeded $50,000 for the first time in its history. This happened just over 2 months after beating its all-time high of 2017 at $20,000. On February 19th, Bitcoin reached a new peak of $53,000. During the same day, the capitalization of the first cryptocurrency exceeded $1 trillion. $1 trillion. Bitcoin set the week high on February 21st at 58,300, according to EXMO exchange. Having reached a capitalization of over $1 trillion, Bitcoin surpassed the ranking of the Chinese tech giant Tencent. Note that it took Bitcoin only 12 years to reach a cap of $1 trillion. For comparison, Google needed 21 years, Amazon needed 24 years, Apple needed 42 years, and even Microsoft needed 44 years. As you see, numbers can reveal a lot about the prospects of the cryptocurrency market as a whole. By overcoming a resistance zone at a level of $41,000 to $42,000, Bitcoin demonstrated almost recoilless growth, and a breakdown of the psychological level of 50,000 became an additional driver off the jump up. Since Monday, we have seen the development of a downward trend and a bit of a correction. The $50,000 level has been broken downwards, and the Bitcoin USD pair is aiming for the former resistance zone at between 41 and 42,000 US. If Bitcoin reaches the level of $60,000, then it has every chance of exceeding its traditional competitors in capitalization, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa combined. By the way, a little about new Bitcoin trends. Last week, the network exploded by a new trend: laser ray until 100K. To participate in the flash mob, you just need to add glowing laser eyes to your social media profile picture. That's how followers of Bitcoin show that they are waiting for the growth of the main cryptocurrency to $100,000. Musk also supported the flash mob on Twitter. He changed his profile picture just for a day, demonstrating faith in Bitcoin and his interest in its growth. An interesting fact, according to experts, over the past month, Tesla earned $1,080 million on its investment in Bitcoin. This is more than the income from the main business of the company for all of 2020, $721 million. Can you imagine? Now let's talk a little bit about Ethereum. On Saturday, the ETH rate exceeded $2,000 for the first time in history and set a new all-time high, $2,030 US, according to EXMO's quotes. So over the past 2 weeks, digital asset manager Grayscale bought Ethereum for more than $344 million. The total amount of purchased coins is about 190 million ETH. 190 million ETH. In a new tweet, Grayscale said that the company now manages more than $38 billion in crypto assets, and the Ethereum Trust assets are now worth more than $35 billion alone. Now let's talk a little bit about Ripple. Due to the problems with the SEC, the prospects of Ripple holders are not optimistic. In the capitalization rating, Ripple XRP project dropped from the 3rd place all the way down to the 7th. The coin is currently trading at about 55 cents, and further growth opportunities for XRP are severely limited not only by problems with the SEC, but also by the fact that the top managers of the project are selling huge amounts of XRP on the market. Ripple's executive chairman, Chris Larsen, and other executives are pouring hundreds of millions of XRP directly into the market, undermining the coin's already fragile position. In the last couple of days alone, about 20 million coins from Larsen came to the exchanges, which is at least 10 million US in current value. While the former CTO of Ripple Labs, Jed McCaleb, remains the main seller of XRP. In addition to regularly selling XRP in millions, he might have plans to create a massive $3 billion coin toss in the market in the coming months. With both Larsen and McCaleb actively ditching XRP, Ripple is unlikely to cope with price pressure in the near future. So yeah, Ripple's not doing very well, But how's Dogecoin doing? The latest data from Dogecoin has shown that an anonymous person or group of persons control about 28% of all Dogecoin tokens in circulation. And this is about $2 billion at current prices. The Dogecoin address, which can now be seen on the screen and in the link in our description for your convenience, is currently holding about 36,800,000,000 Dogecoin tokens received through 705 different transactions. Elon Musk keeps pressing large holders off Doge. He argues that the only reason for the weak growth of Doge is because of the large holders who do not want to part with it. Musk also tweeted that he has set up some little Doge mining rigs with his kids. But the market didn't react to this. Now the Doge price is hovering around 5 cents. And by the way, while talking about the new crypto trends, Polkadot has become another currency making news this week. Goldman Sachs, ICAP, JP Morgan, and UBS have bought the first exchange-traded product, or ETP, that offers exposures to Polkadot's cryptocurrency for their clients. These banks and brokerages purchase small amounts of shares in Switzerland-based 21 shares ETP. The shares debuted on the 4th of February on a 6 Swiss exchange. Each company bought between 500 to 9,600 shares, and each share reflects a unit of the cryptocurrency, the value of which has already reached $36 and a total cap of $32 billion US. According to 21 shares, the securities in Polkadot's ETP are fully backed by DOGE. While institutional investors do not buy cryptocurrency directly, the activity in ETP suggests that their interest in the exposure to cryptocurrency market are not limited to Bitcoin only. And now we turn to the most important news of the week. On Wednesday, February 24th, the EXMO cryptocurrency exchange will be celebrating its 7th birthday. Happy birthday to us. Thank you for staying with us, and during these 7 years there have been many achievements and victories, but the most important thing is the indestructible EXMO community that we have around us. So I want to thank you for your continued support, and we will continue to improve our services, provide even more useful tools on our platform. A big thank you from all of us. So stay tuned, stay up to date with the latest news from the world of cryptocurrencies. Please consider subscribing, liking, and clicking on the bell button. My name was Shad, and this was EXMO Cryptocurrency News. Bye.